Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access Google section. Following that, tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Autofill is now off. In order to turn it back on, click on the same, now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!